Hey everybody, thanks for watching and subscribing. I wanted to show you, I'm doing a highlight, actually a foil highlight on this topper. The hair says on it, of course, you're going to see this a lot, that it's human virgin hair. Question mark. This is the supplies that you're going to need. Obviously, your T-pins to secure your topper to your styrofoam head or your block. Some alligator clips for sectioning the hair. You're going to need a foil highlighting comb with a pointy end like this that's metal. I use a mixing bowl and brush. I'm going to get a lot of hate comments, I know this, but I use 40 Volume Developer. I work fast. You must be careful. I wouldn't recommend it for anyone starting. I use some professional foils and the BW2. This is the powder bleach light. Here are all my special sections that I took out to piece the highlight together. I didn't have a rhyme or reason. I just kind of framed the face and went around and just add some highlights where I wanted to see them. I don't think that this was human virgin hair. I don't think it was virgin hair. The hair quality is still excellent. It did lighten, but I left this on at 40 volume with bleach developer for about an hour at least, which normally is a big no-no. I don't like to leave anything on that long, but as you can see that the hair did lighten and it looks good. The quality overall is good. I put a deep conditioner on there. As you can see the shine after blow drying, it looks great. Just put a little oil on there, no shedding. Again, I don't think it is human virgin hair. I think it's definitely processed. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please give a thumbs up and comment below on what you'd like to see. And I will leave all my links and whatnot for hair and products down below. Thanks for watching.